It's time to create meetings on ClickMeeting without leaving your Outlook calendar. In this tutorial, we will show you how to install and use our new ClickMeeting Outlook add-on. To get started, open your Microsoft Outlook app or web page. Look for the Get Add-ins icon in the top panel. Type ClickMeeting into the search bar and confirm. Now you need to add ClickMeeting. When it's done, you can start using the new add-in. Go to your calendar and choose New Meeting. Set a date as usual. Choose the people you want to invite. Now it's time for the add-in. Find its icon at the top panel and click it. Only during the first use, you'll need to log in to your ClickMeeting account to link it with your Outlook. After logging in, all you need to do is hit Add Event, and it's done with literally 2 clicks. Now send your prepared invitation. Your invitees will receive an email invitation with a link to your ClickMeeting room and a password. They can join it by clicking the link and then just typing in their name, email, and given password. Of course, you can further customize the meeting if you wish. Hit the ClickMeeting icon again. Let's add a proper meeting name and choose your custom password. Or you know what? Let's make it open for anyone with the link. Now click Add Event. Modify the message at will. There is one more option available. This time, instead of creating a new meeting, select one of the previously prepared meetings from your ClickMeeting account by using the drop-down list. Confirm by clicking Add Event. Send the invitation. Done. Integrate your Outlook calendar with ClickMeeting and save time every day.